Welcome to Regression SolidWorks CADCam Practice 27. Today we are going to create 3D model random part 11. So here's the detailed drawing of the 3D model random part 11. When we look at the 3D model random part 11, we can see that they are the same feature but in a different angle. So today I'm going to show you to create this 3D random model part 11 using the simple feature such as boss extrude and cut extrude, as well as I'm going to teach you additional two more methods, which is copy the part, rotate it and combine. So let's begin with the center square and one of this part. Okay, please make sure before you start you need and this file save to the designated folder to avoid crash or save the design during the crash time or lag time. Alright, so we are going to start with the right plane. So create a new sketch using the center rectangle command. Use the origin to create the center point of the center rectangle and create a shape like this, and then give the dimension about this one is 28 as well as the height also 28. So now we have like this, and then we exit sketch, extrude base. Using the mid plane command, I'm going to extrude until 8. So the unit and the dimension you can see from the detailed drawing. Okay, once we create this square, I'm going to use the top plane to create the semicircle. So for that I'm going to use the line command, and I'm going to start my line point, first point at this end of this edge until here, and create a straight line over here, horizontal line over here, and then create a circle like this over here. And okay, this one not combined, you just click on the point and drag to it. So now we have the complete circle like this, and then give dimension to this line. You can see the detail drawing from this point to this line is 28. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined. And then without using cut extrude, we can use the contour feature and create this two shape in same sketch. So exit sketch. Once you create the two shape like this in the same sketch, once you click on the extrude boss feature, the second sketch automatically will cut. So we no need to use an additional sketch to cut the hole at this center. And then we are going to extrude until 14. And now we have the shape like this. So when we look at the detail drawing, so we are going to rotate this and create same shape like this but at the 90-degree angle. So for that, you go here and search for copy, and you can see here move or copy bodies. If you want to know the command location, you click on the eye, it will show the command location. But for the easiest way, you just search over here, click on move or copy body, and then you might see like this. Don't worry, you over the down there you can see translate and rotate. Click on that. Okay, you can see that we can select the body, we can select how many copies we want, we can rotate it, we can drag it. But when we use translate, either we can use one only, either we can use X, Y, Z, or we can rotate it. We cannot use the rotate and using the dragging, moving it to the XYZ axis at the same time. So for that, I'm going to use Euler angular rotation. Euler angular rotation will rotate it accordingly to the plane, Euler's angle. Alright, so now we are going to rotate about its Y axis and X axis. So for that, we are going to rotate it opposite 180 degrees. So just click on here 180. Before that, you need to select this object. So once you select this object, select 180 degree, and then this one is 0, 180. So you can see that it's already fully mirror over Y axis. And then we are going to rotate it to 90 degree over X axis. So here you put 90. So you can clearly see here we complete the sketch. Okay, now we complete the sketch. But there's a problem. If you look carefully, you can see the dotted line, which means this move or copy body is not combined with this boss extrude and cut boss extrude 1 and 2. So for that, we are going to just search for combine command. Click over here, and then you make sure you add at the you choose the add command, and then you click on this both bodies and you click on show preview. So you can see that it will combine, become one close body, and then click OK. Now we complete the sketch. We complete the 3D model part 11 with two new additional features, move or copy and combine. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to share my video, subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.